Hey everybody, Patrick from Ambition Outdoors here. It is January 1st, 2016 and we were bored. So we're coming looking for that elusive landlocked salmon that I've heard about in Saskatchewan. So we're in Yorkton, Saskatchewan's Patrick Park and it is beautiful and we're looking for salmon today. Join us on our adventure. Well, we're going to embark on something that's never been done before. We're taking the trusty old fish cat pontoon boat and we're going to go and find those salmon. So we're going to paddle out into this field over here because I heard that they're over along this tree line and we're going to have some fun because I heard that the fight in these things is amazing. Check it out. Look, there's one over there. We gotta get him, quick. There he is. There he is! Whoa, it's a big one! Whoa! Oh, it's running. Oh, look at it go, it's running, it's running, it's running. Oh man, I can't believe it, what a fight. Looks like it's gonna jump now. Look at it go. I can't believe I've got one of these. They're so rare here in Saskatchewan. This is crazy. If I could get him in, this would be awesome. Oh man, what a fight. I can't even get him to budge. Oh, here he comes. Whoa. Oh, what a fight. Oh, holy moly, what a pig. Oh. Whoa, what a fish. I can't believe this. Saskatchewan spring salmon up close. Got him totally on a fly that I created. Look at this thing. Whoa, what a beautiful fish. Whoa, whoa, look at this. This is gorgeous. Can't believe it. What an honor. You know what? This is truly amazing. They're so rare to find them here in Saskatchewan. Just a beauty. We don't want to leave it out of the water for too long. It's just important. Let's get that thing released and back into the wild. Whoa, beautiful fish. Oh, might have left it out of the water too long. We better get out of here quickly. Really quick.